People want natural food, and we believe that seafood is the answer. It has the most omega-3s, it has the highest protein content, it has a great fat mixture, and it has to be grown. And we believe that we have the best way to do that.
I've been a chef for 42 years, and I can tell you now, this is the best fish I've ever tasted.
This is something we actually booked over 2 years ago, a little pandemic between then and now, and this is our first time being here with product, and the response has been amazing.
Forever Oceans was created 9 years ago by Jason Peckathorn and some other founders who had this crazy idea that I think now has come true, which is the population of the world's going to grow. They need more protein, and it should be a natural protein. So I'm delighted to meet you.
I don't know whether my American customer would be suitable to carry this. It's a 161 store supermarket chain.
The fish eats very well as a sushi and sashimi, of course, but it also presents well as a fillet, as poke, as ceviche, in Asian dishes as well. You're a visionary. You and your overall government have really been working on boosting aquaculture to better the economy and society of Brazil, and I'd like to just give you a couple moments to introduce yourself and explain your vision.
Forever Oceans has come to Brazil. We are the first ocean aquaculture organization that has come to Brazil, that we're investing, that we've shown faith in their ability, and that Brazil will respond by supporting us to become the greatest of fishing aquaculture industries in the open ocean.
We just finished our Boston Seafood Show VIP party where 51 key potential customers and distributors and partners actually attended, and they loved our fish.